Hello student, we go over M6 factor using a quadratic pattern. Okay, so you can see over here, you can see we're missing the act 3 term and we don't have the act term, alright? So this is special scenario. You have only x4 and x squared. Okay? So now I should call n equal x squared. So if you have x to the 4, which means x squared and then square one more time, which is n squared. Okay? So now from over here, I can rewrite this in terms of n is n squared subtract 10n plus 9. Okay? So now I can find my A, B, C. This is A, B, and C. So number 1 is for the A. It's hidden number 1. Alright. So now I can do the diamond. Here we go. AC on top, which is 1 and 9. Okay. 1 times 9 is 9. On the bottom of the diamond is a B, which is negative 10. Okay. So two number multiply equal 9, add together equal negative 10. What is it? It had to be negative 1 and then negative 9. Okay. So now I can rewrite my answer as n right here and right here. Okay. So negative 1 I put right here. Okay. And then negative 9 I put right here. Okay. So now I sub n equal x squared. Okay. So I should have x squared subtract 1 and then x squared subtract 9. Okay. So you can see we're not done. The reason is x squared subtract 1 is the same as x squared subtract 1 squared. Alright? And x squared subtract 9 is 3 squared. So we can factor one more time. So here we go. So x squared subtract 1 squared, that's x subtract 1 and x plus 1. Okay? And x squared subtract 3 squared is x subtract 3, x plus 3. Okay? So you can see over here, I entered it in. If I only enter x squared subtract 1 squared, subtract 1, which is, it will come out as the wrong answer. Alright? So if you do like this, it should be the wrong answer. Okay? Here we go. Alright? Should be the wrong answer. So you have to break it down at, okay, x squared subtract 1 squared become x subtract 1 x plus 1. Alright, x plus 1. And then x squared subtract 9, which is 3 squared, become x subtract 3 x plus 3. Alright, become x plus 3. Okay, so you can see here x plus 3. Okay, otherwise it will say it's wrong. Okay, submit. Voila. Okay, you see here? Okay, so let's clear this out. So the next problem is the same thing over here. Okay, so pretend, so I can do this super fast. Let's see right here. Alright. So I should come out at, if I call n equal x squared, so I should come out at n squared subtract 5n plus 4. Okay. Alright. Two number multiply equal 4, add equal negative 5. That's a lot. Negative 1 and negative 4. Alright. Negative 1 and then negative 4. So now I come out, substitute back is x subtract 1, x squared subtract 1, x squared subtract 4. Okay. So if I enter this, it will say incorrect. Alright, so let's do this in over here, and they would explain the same thing to you. So here we go, subtract 1 over here. Alright, because this you can factor one more time. Alright, so here, take a look over here. submit, they will say I am wrong. Okay? Alright, so you see here? You see over here? At the end. Everybody pay attention. You see that? X squared subtract 4. Subtract 4 becomes subtract 2 squared. You see that? So x squared subtract 2 squared is x plus 2, x subtract 2. Okay, same thing over here. X squared subtract 1, 1 is 1 squared. So x plus 1, x subtract 1. One more time. So make sure you factor all the way down. Okay? Here we go. So let me clarify it for you right here. Where is, here we go. You see here? If you stop right here, you're not done. Okay? Make sure you keep going. 4 is 2 squared. So then you factor one more time. Okay? You see here? You see here? X squared subtract 2 squared become x plus 2, x subtract 2. And then x squared subtract 1 squared, x plus 1, x subtract 1. One more time. Okay? Alright, so we learn from this. We learn from this. Alright, so alright, so similarly, I call, you can call u equal x squared. Okay? So x4 is mean x squared and square one more time, so equal u squared. Okay, so from here I can write at u squared subtract 18u plus 81. Okay, so this is your A, B, and C. So A equal number 1. Okay, you want to do the diamond? A times C, 1 times 81. Which is 81, and then B equal negative 18. So the two numbers have to be negative 9, negative 9. Okay? So from here, I write down at u subtract 9, u subtract 9. So now I substitute back, use the x squared. Okay? So x squared subtract 9. But you can see here, everybody pay attention, this is a negative. So we can go further. Alright? 9 is at 3 square. 9 is at 3 square. So now I can write that at x plus 3, x subtract 3. For the first difference of square. The second one I do the same. X plus 3, x subtract 3. Okay? But take a look over here. Plus 3, I can combine as x plus 3 and then square. Subtract 3, x subtract 3, I can combine as x subtract 3 and the whole thing square. Okay? So, not a big deal. Okay, here we go. Maybe I should do the next level, make it fancier, not a big deal. Here we go. So now, take a look. I call u equal x squared. So if I see x to the 4, which is x squared, and then square one more time, which is u squared. So from here, I can write as u squared subtract 4u subtract 45. Okay? Let's find A, B, C. A should be number 1, B, and C. Here's your diamond. On top, A, C. And on bottom is B. Okay? A is 1 and negative 45. So this is negative 45 and this is negative 4. It had to be negative 9 and then 4. Ooh, hold on. Negative 9 and then 5. Alright, let me clean this up. 5. Okay, here we go. So from here, I can come down as u subtract 9, u plus 5. Okay? So now I substitute, when you see u, I can substitute as x squared. So now I got x squared subtract 9, x squared plus 5. And you can see this is subtract, so you can factor further. Okay? So now, instead of 9, I put a 3 squared. Okay? In the back, stay the same. So now, x squared subtract 3 squared, that's a x plus 3, x subtract 3. and then x squared plus 5 in the back. Here we go. So I put in the answer. Here we go. Okay. I got x plus 3, x subtract 3, x squared plus 5. Plus 5. Voila. Here we go. Thank you so much for your attention.